So is 2 visors better than 1? Let's check it out. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Wayne. This is Fade to Black. Thanks for watching another video, and thank you for being a subscriber. If you haven't subscribed, you need to go over there and click that subscribe button right now. I don't know what you're waiting for, but let's check it out. Are 2 visors better than 1? We're gonna talk about it in this video. Also, okay, hold up. I wanna take you guys back a little bit. When I started tinting on the side, my wife came up with the name Fade to Black. Now, I know most of the time when we're thinking about Fade to Black, we're thinking about, when you say fading, we're thinking about something fading, something going from dark to light, which is traditionally what you call fading. But we flipped it. Let's say fading is going from light to dark. So we're fading it to black. Hence the name Fade to Black. So now I think it's really cool. My customers be like, Wayne, I need to get this thing faded. Let me know when you can do it. And I'm like, oh yeah. They're feeling that faded vibe. They're all about that FTV and they want to get faded. They want to make it go dark. I got one of the customer's vehicles here right now. He wanted to go dark. You see the Silverado sitting behind me? We got this thing faded. I'm talking about darkness. I'm talking about triple black. Black truck, black interior, and black tint. So what I want you to do right now is comment down below. Comment what you think is your thing. Do you like a visor on top? Do you like 2 visors? Do you like the whole windshield? Do you like a windshield and a visor? Comment down below. To be honest with you guys, I've been tinting off and on since '94, and I had 1 visor on one of my vehicles. Don't ask me why, I don't know. But I had 1 visor, and that's still on my truck right now. I'm thinking about flipping and doing the whole windshield again, but we'll see what happens when we get time. But I normally go for the full windshield. I had a 35% windshield, and it got a little dark for me. I bought 50 on my Impala right now. We got 50 on my wife's SUV. But you know, I can't deny, I like having a nice full windshield, keeping the sun out, helping the eyes a little bit, help reduce that glare. That's kind of just been my thing. But I do like a visor as well, so I have both. I got a visor on my truck, full windshield on the Impala, so I guess I kind of got the best of both worlds. Like I said before, I got 50% on the Impala, so I didn't go too crazy dark. I just kept it kind of light and kind of chill. But I can definitely tell the difference. So I hope you guys have been checking out the windshield videos, because you know I got 50%, got 35%. I did one a couple weeks ago on 20%, but I didn't film that one. That's getting kind of dark. So right now, let's do a couple little shots around the truck, show you what it looks like. 2 visors, 5%. Ready? Let's go. So as you can see, this truck is dark. Like I said, 5% all the way around, 2 5% visors on the top and the lower. He specifically asked me to make this one a little bit smaller, but I think it looks better when you have the bottom one smaller than the top one. Put a nice big one on the top, put a lower on the bottom. To me, that looks a lot better. I also finished off front and rear bow ties with carbon fiber for him. We wrapped them up. Got the truck faded, now he's good to go. Like I said, this was a quick video. Just wanted to show you like kind of what triple faded is. Smash the subscribe button, hit that bell so you do not miss any notifications, and I'll be back with another video. But until then, what you gotta do? Stay faded. Peace.